Hello everyone, greetings from Venture and Career Consultants. Guys, today I'm going to tell you about speaking module in IELTS exam. The speaking module can be on the same day of the exam, it can be before the exam or after the exam. And the total time spent is 11 to 14 minutes, which can be again fluctuating. It can be more or it can be less. Speaking is divided in three parts. First is introductory, second is cue card, and the last is discussion part. So here guys we shall be discussing in detail cue card. So guys, total time is 3 to 4 minutes of the cue card, out of which 1 minute is given to prepare, and the candidate is expected to speak for 2 minutes approximately. So here guys, planning is very important. The 1 minute which is given to you to prepare, you must be utilizing it appropriately. I suggest you to make the best use of this time. So here, divide your cue card in three parts. One is introductory. Here, you should be speaking something general. It should not be so much specific. Then it is followed by details, and approximately 1 minute should be spent on the same. Here, you should be speaking on main points which are directly linked to cue card and explain them. Keep in your mind that the follow-up questions given in the cue card must be answered. Otherwise, it may affect your score. And the last part is conclusion. Here, you can utilize this time by speaking a relevant story to the cue card. It may be your imaginary or it may be true story. This all depends on you. So guys, now let's start discussing one cue card in detail. So it's a garden in your area you have visited. So guys, it can be public facility or it can be a green place. So follow-up questions are, where is it? How did you come to know about it? How does it look like? And explain why do you think it is worth visiting. So guys, divide your cue card in three parts as I already have discussed. So first is introductory. Here you can start with the facilities for public in my area. 4 to 5 sentences you can speak on the same. There are many facilities for the public, such as, then you can tell some of the facilities, education, hospitals, etc. So after speaking this, you should start speaking on the garden. Here, you have to make an image of the garden in your mind, and whatsoever comes in that image, whatsoever you look into the same, you must write them as point and then explain them. I'll give you some examples, such as you can talk about the size of the garden, the entry gate, the plants, trees, and facilities for the public, bench, fountains over there. So such things which you think can be related to garden must be spoken. So guys, this is all about the gardens detail. Afterwards, in case of story, you can talk about a visit to the garden with your friends. So in this way, you elaborate when did you start, when did you reach, what happened there, how much time did you spend over there, then you came back. So all these things will definitely help you to prepare your cue card. So guys, I have solved this cue card and it is going to come on the screen. It's about rock garden. You can read the ideas and you can utilize them in your speaking. So guys, imagination is very important, and if you have ideas, then you have fluency also. So guys, I'm going to show you one solved cue card. Just keep on reading. Hope it will benefit you.